82 degrees, and Monday a high of 80. We'll have more on that in a bit. 6:18. Jacob Wycoff from WeatherBug is down in Biloxi this morning via Skype. And Jacob, thank you so much for being with us. You got the latest still tropical storm Isaac, and I guess that's what confounds a lot of people. Jacob, why is this storm still a tropical storm?
Well, that's a good question, Chuck, and I think one of the reasons that this remains a tropical storm is a lot of dry air just to the north, and that's the reason that it really hasn't allowed Isaac to strengthen into hurricane strength. Now, one thing to note is the central pressure of Isaac. It doesn't necessarily have a center of circulation where you would call an eye, but it's down to 977 millibars, which is honestly the strength of a Category 2 hurricane, so it's kind of confusing a lot of people. This doesn't look like the storms that they're used to with the central eye in the middle, spinning counterclockwise. So that's why a lot of people aren't really, they don't know what to do, to be honest with you.
Well, and with the strength of the storm, and right now, Jacob, we're looking at some of the WeatherBug cameras in Destin, Florida, and then Marrero, Louisiana. With the width of this storm, you still have to keep those hurricane warnings in place, even though the storm is not a hurricane, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We do expect the National Hurricane Center, they just put out their latest advisory just over an hour ago, and I think that they'll probably upgrade it right before it does make landfall. Right now the winds are about 70 miles an hour. To be a hurricane, it needs to be 74, so it's right on the threshold of becoming a hurricane. When it makes landfall, we expect it to make landfall as a Category 1 storm.
And Jacob, the big problem right now towards New Orleans is storm surge, right?
Yeah, absolutely, and that's actually the problem that we're going to be dealing with here. The beach behind me, it's only about 100 or 200 feet from Highway 90 right here in Biloxi, and they're forecasting storm surges 15 to 18 feet, and with that central pressure and that wind field, it's going to really pile up the water right along this beachfront, and that's going to be the major issue. It's not going to be the rainfall, though there are going to be a lot. It's going to be the storm surge.
Jacob Wycoff reporting live from Biloxi, beautiful Biloxi, Mississippi. Thank you, Jacob. We appreciate it so much. Hope to talk to you again soon.
Definitely.
Jacob does a great job down there in Biloxi. We'll hear more on the tropical storm Isaac in a few minutes, but at 6:21, let's get you caught up with traffic. We have had some problems.